Welcome, in front of me is a NAVITEL T787 and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button. From here, select power off, and when the device turns off, you wanna hold power and volume up at the same time. As you can see, this boots us into Bootloader. Now in here you'll use volume up to navigate through the three different options, which is recovery mode, fast boot and normal boot. Now recovery obviously will take you to the recovery mode, fast boot to fast boot mode, and normal boot back to Android. Now you select them using volume up. Now you confirm it using volume down. So I'm going to select normal boot and confirm it. And as you can see, it automatically reboots the device and will take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.